16. Mind-blowing facts about Russia, a nation unlike any other on earth. Russia is not just the largest country in the world. It's also a colossal geographical conundrum. Russia has the coldest village in the world, Verkhoyansk. Besides the famous Oymyakon, Russia is also home to another incredibly cold village, Verkhoyansk. Located deep within Siberia, Verkhoyansk is recognized as one of the coldest places on Earth. In the 19th century, the temperature here plummeted to 67.8 degrees, setting one of the coldest records in human history. Winter in Verkhoyansk is so harsh that boiling water can freeze instantly when thrown into the air. Over generations, the locals have adapted to this brutal cold by building special houses that retain heat and allow daily life to continue. Children still go to school in sub-zero temperatures, and everyday activities proceed as if the piercing cold is completely normal. Surprisingly, summer in Verkhoyansk can become quite warm, with temperatures reaching up to 30 degrees Celsius, creating one of the largest temperature ranges in the world. Life in Verkhoyansk stands as a testament to the extraordinary resilience of humans against harsh nature. If you ever have the chance to visit, you won't just experience bone-chilling cold, but also admire the strong spirit of the people living there. 15. Did you know that Russia spans 11 time zones? This means that while folks in Moscow are enjoying their breakfast, those in Vladivostok are preparing to sleep. This country shares borders with 16 nations, more than any other country globally. Theoretically, you could journey from Europe to Asia without ever stepping outside of Russian territory. The climate in Russia is also filled with enigmas and extremes. In winter, there are places so frigid that boiling water freezes immediately. Oymyakon in Siberia is the coldest inhabited place on Earth, with temperatures plunging to minus 67.7 degrees Celsius. The capitals, Moscow and St. Petersburg, are covered in white snow during the winter. Yet summer bursts with vibrant hues, showcasing the legendary white nights when the sun scarcely sets. Russia spans over 17 million square kilometers, with over 70% of its expanse in Asia and more than 20% in Europe. But here's an intriguing fact. Over 70% of Russia's population resides in the European part, while the vast Asian territories are so sparsely populated that you can travel hundreds of kilometers without encountering a single soul. With a population of around 144 million as of 2024, Russia is a melting pot of over 190 ethnic groups, ranging from Russians and Tatars to smaller tribes in the Arctic who continue to depend on nature and reindeer herding. The official language is Russian, but more than 100 other languages can be heard throughout the country. In certain areas, people communicate in various indigenous languages. In fact, there's even a village in Dagestan where residents converse in more than 10 different languages to engage with their neighbors. If there's any country that can amaze you from all angles, it's Russia, truly a land of the extraordinary. Number 14, the land of stunning women. When one thinks of Russian women, images often conjure of those who seem to have emerged from a fairy tale, possessing deep blue or enigmatic brown eyes, skin as smooth as snow, tall stature, and an elegant poise. Beyond their beauty, Russian women are also remarkably strong, intelligent, and resilient. These are the women who can walk gracefully in high heels through the biting cold, all while managing businesses or excelling in demanding fields such as science, technology, and the arts. They have a profound appreciation for knowledge. It's no surprise that Russia boasts the highest rate of female university graduates in the world. A Russian woman can fluently speak multiple foreign languages, debate complex literature and philosophy, and then dance with a charm that captivates like royalty. Her confidence and graceful presence are sure to catch anyone's attention. While South American women are celebrated for their warmth, passion, and vibrant lifestyles, Russian women embody a cool, enigmatic beauty that is truly captivating, even as they remain strong and independent. They also embrace their femininity and hold traditional values close to their hearts. Russian women love deeply, but if they feel unappreciated, they will walk away with dignity. Beyond their outer beauty, they live life beautifully, think gracefully, and invest their whole souls in everything they do. Once you find yourself enchanted by them, they will stay in your memory. If you would like us to share tips on successfully winning over a Russian girl, please drop a comment with the number 8. An interesting fact is that Russia has a significant gender imbalance, with 86.6 men for every 100 women, resulting in about 10 million more women than men. This, along with a keen desire for self-improvement and new opportunities, has led many Russian women to be open to international relationships. There's a general belief that European and American men tend to be more romantic than their Russian counterparts and value equality in marriage and family life. Consequently, the trend of Russian women seeking partners from abroad is on the rise, particularly through online dating platforms and social media. If you're keen on knowing about popular dating apps to connect with them, please leave a comment with the number 9. Dating Russian women will reveal to you that they are some of the most wonderful women in the world. Number 13. Life in Moscow. If there's a city that showcases captivating contrasts, it is Moscow, the vast, glamorous, yet challenging capital of Russia. In this city, you can find a super modern shopping mall situated right next to a historic church dating back to the 16th century. Cultural landmarks like the Kremlin, which serves as the historical heart of Moscow and is linked to the most significant events in Russia, stand tall alongside St. Basil's Cathedral, one of the world's most stunning architectural marvels, renowned for its vibrant, colorful domes. Red Square and the Bolshoi Theatre are not merely tourist attractions. They are sources of immense pride for the people of Moscow. Life in Moscow is not for the languid. The locals are always in a rush. From businessmen in sharp suits hurrying into skyscrapers, to students clutching their coffee cups, racing to catch the subway for class. But don't let that hurry deceive you. When the sun sets, Moscow transforms into a different realm. You'll find cozy cafes, top-notch art performances, and streets illuminated with vibrant lights. If you think of the subway as just a public transport system, you must experience the Moscow Metro, where every station is a masterpiece. Known as the Underground Palace, the stations here boast murals, dazzling chandeliers, and intricate sculptures. However, don't get too lost in the beauty, as the fast-paced life of Moscow waits for no one. Locals dash onto trains at lightning speed, and if you happen to block the escalator, be ready for some penetrating stares from the natives. Moscow boasts not only splendid architecture, but also streets filled with distinctive charm. Arbat is the oldest pedestrian street in Moscow, where one can see street performers, relax in cozy little cafes, and buy traditional Matryoshka dolls. Conversely, Tverskaya Street presents a different scene altogether. It's luxurious, contemporary, and lively, featuring high-end fashion outlets and upscale restaurants that operate round the clock. If you believe that winter in Moscow is merely about snow and bone-chilling cold, you are underestimating the resilience of the locals. When temperatures plummet to minus 20 degrees Celsius, Muscovites stroll through the streets in their luxurious fur coats, enjoying hot mulled wine and the lively Christmas markets. Interestingly, when temperatures rise to 0 degrees Celsius in March, the locals are quick to shed their coats and declare it spring. Moscow is not just the capital of Russia, it's a city that offers experiences rich in contrast. Now consider life in some of the coldest places on earth. Do you think you could endure living where temperatures can plunge to minus 67 degrees Celsius? Welcome to Oymyakon, the coldest inhabited place in the world. Here, water freezes the moment it is poured, ink becomes unusable due to freezing, and vehicles must be kept running all night to prevent them from turning into blocks of ice. Yet, the most astonishing aspect is that the locals lead completely ordinary lives. In Yamal and Yakutia, when roads are iced over with snow, the police cannot use cars and must patrol on reindeer instead. That's just the usual life here, isn't it? Interestingly, in the Chukotka and Norilsk regions, polar bears often stroll into villages in search of food. Some even knock on people's doors as if they're requesting a meal. Local authorities frequently advise residents against stepping out at night, as no one can say if a bear is casually making its way down the street. But perhaps the most peculiar thing about Russians is their love for sunbathing on snow. When spring arrives, particularly in Siberia and Moscow, many people readily lie on the snowy fields to soak up the sun, relishing the rare sunlight after a long winter. Russians also have a particular fondness for ice cream, to the extent that they'll eat it outside, even when it's 30 degrees Celsius. In Moscow and St. Petersburg, you'll find ice cream vendors buzzing with customers, no matter how chilly it is. If you ever thought you could brave the biting winter, just step into Oymyakon to experience a real winter. Russians favor Lada even when they could opt for fancier cars. In Russia, you might see a Mercedes cruising down the road with BMWs parked outside upscale restaurants. But on snowy and muddy paths, there's only one true warrior that triumphs over all challenges: the Lada. The Lada doesn't need to be luxurious because it's designed to withstand the harshest conditions. While BMWs struggle to move through deep snow and Mercedes cars remain idle due to frozen engines, a Lada simply requires a turn of the key to start and function as usual. But what's the most intriguing part? A Lada costs only between 720,000 and 1500,000, which is 7 to 10 times cheaper than a Mercedes or BMW. Yet, Russians still prefer Lada. Why? The answer is straightforward. Lada is not just an ordinary car. It embodies the Russian spirit. It's tough, durable, and doesn't back down against frost or rough roads. No car is better suited for Russian terrain than Lada. It doesn't require paved roads. It can glide over snow, ice, and even the roughest paths. Number 10. The tea culture in Russia. If coffee is the soul of Italy, then tea is the very breath of Russia. More than just a beverage, tea in Russia is a cultural ritual, a symbol of hospitality, and above all, a source of warmth during the chilly winter months. Russians don't rush through their tea. They savor it slowly, taking their time, turning each cup into a bridge connecting family and friends. The focal point of traditional tea gatherings is the samovar, a distinctive metal kettle where everyone comes together to pour steaming cups of tea and share endless stories. Interestingly, Russians have a unique way of drinking tea. They don't stir sugar into the cup. Instead, they hold a sugar cube or honey in their mouths while sipping the tea, allowing the sweetness to dissolve with every sip. Tea is often enjoyed with fruit preserves, known as varenia cookies, and dark bread, creating an unmistakable flavor. In Russia, offering tea is a mark of hospitality. A guest is never allowed to leave without being served a cup of tea. So if you ever get the opportunity to visit Russia, make sure you don't decline a steaming cup of tea. It's the best way to experience the warmth of the people here. Strange cultures of the Russians. Would you be brave enough to jump into an icy lake in the midst of a biting winter? For many Russians, this is not seen as a mad act, but rather as a means to bolster their health and spirit. Every January, thousands take part in the baptism ceremony under the ice, leaping into freezing waters shaped like a cross to purify their bodies. While the chill may cause others to shudder, to them, it's refreshing. Before embarking on any journey, Russians have a tradition of sitting quietly for a moment to reflect, as they believe this practice will avert misfortune and ready their minds for what's ahead. And if you happen to be strolling through the streets of Moscow and happen to smile at a stranger, don't be taken aback if they look at you as though you're from another planet. Russians seldom smile at strangers, but once you become their friend, you'll discover that they are truly warm, sincere, and generous. Should you find yourself lost or in need of assistance, they'll go out of their way to help, even if their English isn't strong. Russians take pride in their hospitality, and if you receive an invitation to someone's home, you can be sure you won't leave with an empty stomach. But here's a word of advice. If you visit a Russian's home, never go there without bringing something along. A bottle of vodka, a box of chocolate tikis, or a bouquet of flowers are common gifts that express respect and courtesy in Russia. If you intend to give flowers to a Russian, be cautious. When congratulating someone, it's important to choose an odd number of flowers 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Even numbers are reserved for funerals. Presenting the wrong number of flowers can cause misunderstandings, so it's wise to be mindful if you wish to demonstrate your sophistication. Number 8 refers to the land of birch trees. If there's one tree that embodies the spirit and beauty of Russia, it's the birch tree. Spanning from the European plains to the icy expanse of Siberia, the white birch forests resemble delicate silk, reflecting the gentle yet resilient nature of the Russian people. They not only enhance the landscape but are also featured in poetry, music, painting, and the collective consciousness of the Russian populace. Russians believe that birch trees bring good luck and protection, which is why they are planted around homes, used for crafts, and even tapped for sap to make a nutritious drink. When you step into a Russian banya or sauna, you'll notice bundles of birch branches used for massage, promoting blood circulation and relaxation, a tradition passed down through generations. If you've heard songs like Oi Toneviche or Borodza Birch, you'll sense the deep longing for home that every Russian feels for this tree. During the summer festival of Troitsa, also known as Trinity, the Russians have a tradition of weaving birch wreaths and dancing around green branches as a prayer for love, health, and happiness. Number 7 highlights the most unique tribe in the world, the Chukchi. This tribe, residing in the Chukotka region of northern Russia, where winters can extend up to 9 months, is renowned not only for their remarkable survival skills in temperatures as low as minus 50 degrees Celsius, but also for their peculiar and fascinating traditions that spark curiosity. While people in other regions rely on trees, for the Chukchi, reindeer are everything. For this community, reindeer are not merely a mode of transport. They represent a source of life. They depend on reindeer for food, such as meat and milk, as well as for fur to make clothing and other necessities. The tribe travels in harmony with herds of thousands of reindeer, dwelling in Yurung tents warmed by fire. The Chukchi believe that nature possesses a soul, and that fire is a sacred source of life. They perform rituals to express gratitude to the reindeer spirits after each harvest season, convinced that this practice helps maintain harmony with nature. Despite the severe living conditions, the Chukchi don vibrant clothing featuring traditional patterns, engage in powerful dances, and sing songs that recount their ancestors' journeys. Each evening, families come together around the campfire, singing ancient melodies about deities and Arctic legends. Additionally, the Chukchi community boasts some of the most unique and peculiar traditional customs in the world. For instance, they have initiation rituals for men that test their bravery and strength. There's also the custom where a man's wife warmly hosts guests overnight to showcase their hospitality. If you're keen to know more about this tradition, do drop a comment with the numbers 2 and 6 of the tourist destinations that will leave you in awe. In the heart of the stunning St. Petersburg, the Winter Palaces stands out like a living masterpiece. This opulent residence of the Russian Tsars, with its striking white walls, emerald green roofs, and magnificent gold embellishments, has become one of the most majestic structures globally. It is not only the largest museum in Russia, but also ranks among the world's greatest art treasures, rivaling the Louvre in Paris. From paintings by maestros like Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt, and Van Gogh to ancient Greek sculptures, every corner in the Hermitage feels like a walk through human history. On the other hand, Suzdal represents the essence of ancient Russia. While Moscow is the contemporary hub, Suzdal is adorned with churches topped with vibrant onion domes, age-old monasteries, and traditional wooden homes that reflect the classic Russian style. There are no towering skyscrapers or the usual hustle and bustle. Just peace, tranquility, and an enchanting sense of stepping into a fairy tale. For those who adore the sea and skiing, Sochi is an absolute must-visit. Nestled along the beautiful Black Sea coast, Sochi is renowned as one of the most popular resort cities in Russia, boasting picturesque white sandy beaches, a pleasantly warm climate all year round, and luxurious resorts. You can soak up the sun, swim, and relish fresh seafood at Riviera Beach. Following that, take the time to explore the expansive forests filled with streams, waterfalls, and rich flora and fauna in Sochi National Park. Don't miss out on the Krasnaya Polyana ski resort, famous for its breathtaking snow-capped mountains and its role in hosting the 2014 Winter Olympics. There are numerous other thrilling destinations in Russia as well. If you would like to know more, please leave a comment with the number 4. Number 5. Russian ballet, the epitome of artistic excellence. When discussing ballet, one cannot forget Russia, the birthplace of remarkable dancers, magnificent theatres, and timeless performances that enchant audiences globally. Since the 18th century, when ballet first came to Russia, it has transformed from a performance art into a cultural gem and a matter of national pride. Prestigious theatres such as the Bolshoi in Moscow and the Mariinsky in St. Petersburg have created legendary ballets like Swan Lake, The Nutcracker, and Sleeping Beauty, which captivate audiences around the world. Russian ballet is not for the faint-hearted. To achieve those light as a feather jumps and spins that seem as gentle as a breeze, dancers endure decades of rigorous training and challenging exercises, with many saying they don't just dance with their feet, but with their very souls. Only those with the strongest will and resilience can achieve the heights of this art form. In fact, a pair of ballet shoes can endure only about 5 to 7 performances before they completely wear out. When Russian dancers lift their arms, bow their heads, or execute a delicate turn, the audience can feel a whole spectrum of emotions expressed in every gesture. If you get the opportunity, do visit the Bolshoi or Mariinsky Theatre to experience the enchantment of Russian ballet, where each leap becomes a living masterpiece. Number 4 is vodka, the very spirit of Russia. If there's anything that can be termed the national essence of Russia, it's vodka. More than just a beverage, vodka is intricately woven into the history, culture, and day-to-day life of the Russian people, symbolizing friendship, connection, and legendary tales. Russian vodka typically has an alcohol content of 40% and is made from wheat, potatoes, or rye, celebrated for its unparalleled purity. This is why Russian vodka consistently ranks among the finest spirits globally. In Russia, vodka is not to be savored slowly like wine. It's meant to be consumed in one go. After drinking, you shouldn't immediately place your glass back on the table. Instead, it's customary to hold it for a moment as a mark of respect. However, never drink vodka without a reason, as Russians have specific rituals for each toast. No one drinks vodka without offering a few words of blessing. The most common toast is Za Zdorovye, which means to health or to friendship. So, if you ever find yourself invited to have a shot of vodka in Russia, don't think twice about downing it. Because it's not merely a drink, it's an integral part of the Russian soul. Now, let's talk about number 3 delicious dishes that tourists fondly remember. First on the list is borscht, a vibrant soup characterized by its rich red hue from beets, which serves as a culinary icon of Russia, with a hearty beef broth paired with vegetables and a generous dollop of sour cream, or smetana as it's called. This dish truly warms the heart. Next up is pelmeni, which are the Russian version of dumplings. They consist of thin dough filled with minced beef, lamb, or pork. What sets pelmeni apart is their cooking method, as they are boiled in hot broth and served with a splash of melted butter or sour cream, making for an irresistibly rich and flavorful experience. Then we have beef stroganoff, that globally renowned creamy beef dish. Tender strips of beef are sautéed with onions and mushrooms in a silky cream sauce, usually accompanied by egg noodles or mashed potatoes, resulting in a refined and savory taste. Have you heard of blini? These thin Russian crepes made from flour can be adorned with a variety of toppings. Tourists particularly relish the caviar blini, a delicate pairing of soft pancakes enhanced by the exquisite salty flavor of luxurious Russian caviar. Moreover, blini can also be savored with honey, sour cream, or fresh fruits. Last but not least is Olivier salad, commonly known as Russian salad, which is a popular starter at parties and festive gatherings. This dish, which combines potatoes, carrots, pickles, eggs, chicken, or sausage mixed with rich mayonnaise, offers a delightful and easy to eat flavor that is particularly appreciated by international visitors. Number 2. Unique festivals. The White Nights Festival in St. Petersburg occurs from late May to mid-July. The phenomenon of White Nights is a miraculous natural event when the sun never fully sets in St. Petersburg, turning the city into a continuous celebration. During the festival, there are grand performances at the Mariinsky Theatre, featuring musicals, ballet, and opera. The festival also includes fireworks and the famous scarlet sails sailing on the Neva River. Visitors can stroll through the streets and enjoy the nights that feel as bright as day. Another distinctive festival is Orthodox Christmas, celebrated on January 7th every year. Unlike the Western Christmas on December 25th, Russians following the Eastern Orthodox tradition celebrate Christmas on January 7th, as per the Julian calendar. People gather in large churches for the Christmas Eve prayer service. It is also a time for families to come together and enjoy hearty meals. In some rural areas, there is still a tradition of children going from house to house, singing Christmas carols and receiving gifts. Orthodox Christmas is not merely a religious holiday, but also a time for Russians to express unity, reverence, and uphold their unique cultural values. Cost of living in Russia. Are you considering living in Russia and wondering what your monthly expenses might be? The good news is that the cost of living in Russia is quite reasonable, especially when compared to the US and Europe. Housing makes up the largest expense, with an apartment in Moscow or St. Petersburg costing between $195 and $325 per month. Food expenses can vary based on your lifestyle. Eating at affordable restaurants will set you back about $2 to $3 per meal, while cooking at home can help you keep your monthly food budget to around $180 to $240. Grocery shopping generally costs around $35 per month, and utilities like electricity, water, and heating typically average about $52 monthly. Public transportation in Russia is very convenient. If you're a student, a subway pass costs roughly $6 per month, whereas a regular ticket is about $34 per month. Gym memberships range from $20 to $40 per month, and a basic dental checkup will cost around $13 to $40. Altogether, the total monthly cost of living in Russia usually falls between $580 and $680 or even up to $150, depending on the city and your lifestyle choices. Considering these expenses, would you choose to settle here? If yes, please select 1. If no, please select 0. Share your answer in the comments. Also, if you need information on visa procedures for coming to Russia, kindly leave a comment with the number 9 and we'll respond to you there. We've just explored 15 unique and fascinating facts about Russia together, and I hope this has provided you with a fresh perspective on the country. Don't forget to follow our channel, like the video, and share it to support us. We'll see you in the next one.